Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an unemployment claim. First, it's crucial to understand your state's specific eligibility requirements. Each state has unique rules, so checking these first saves time. Next, gather all necessary documents, including your Social Security number, driver's license, and detailed work history for the past 18 months. Finally, locate your state's official unemployment agency website or contact information to begin the process. When filling out your application, accuracy is key. You will need to provide your full legal name, current address, and reliable contact information. Be ready to list all employers from the past 18 months, including start and end dates, and your earnings. Also, clearly explain the reason for your job separation and disclose any severance pay or vacation pay you received. This information helps determine your benefit amount. Most states prefer online applications, so visit your state's official unemployment website. Take your time to accurately complete every section of the application. Double-check all information before clicking Submit to avoid delays. After submission, you will receive a confirmation number. Save this number and the date of your application. This is vital for tracking your claim's progress and for any future inquiries. After filing, there's usually a waiting period, often 1 week, before benefits can start. You must also certify your eligibility regularly, typically weekly or bi-weekly, to continue receiving payments. This involves confirming you are still unemployed and actively seeking work. If the agency requests more information, respond quickly. Staying proactive ensures your claim progresses smoothly and benefits are dispersed without unnecessary delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.